This video tutorial will take you through section 9.3 and maybe a little bit further, and it will turn the rocket. When we examine the rocket class, you can find the code that handles the keyboard input, and we want to add statements to turn the key left. And then the next thing they want us to do is to add a rotation to turn the rocket right. So if we take a look at the rocket code, I've already started some of this, but if we scroll down, checking the keyboard keys is here, and the pre-made method that was already there was a space bar to fire the rocket. I went ahead and added this line: if green foot, the rocket will turn left. And after you execute this code, compile it, after you type the code, please compile it and test it just to see if that's going to work. Turn 5 should turn, actually that will turn to the right, so we want to turn left, so we want to turn -5. And then if we compile and run this scenario, it's always helpful to check for errors right away, and that way we will know whether it's working or not. My computer seems to be working slowly today, so if we run this and I just try to turn the rocket left, we have success. I'm trying to turn it right and that doesn't work. It still fires, but we do have it turning left, which is what we wanted. Going back to the code then, it's easy to make it turn right. We are just going to copy the left turn, paste it in. Sorry, I wanted to pause that screen. Copy the left code, paste that in, and instead of turning left, we're going to turn right, which would be a positive amount. And I'm going to say that my right hand reflexes are quicker than my left, so I'm going to turn at a faster degree, compile, and then we will run. And so now I can turn left and I can turn right. Nope, mine didn't work. And you guys probably already know what happened. If I take a look back at my code, I know what happened. I copied and pasted my code, but I forgot to turn left to right. So if we look for right and recompile, and that's just an example of why you want to recompile and run right away, because then you can figure out if you have successfully completed that section of code. That makes a rocket turn left and that makes a rocket turn right, and that will be the end of this video.